Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet a cap, which is very easy to crochet. Only single crochet we will work for this cap. For that you will need a yarn. I'm using a pink color yarn. You can use any yarn. My yarn size is medium, which is 4 ply, and I'm using hook size number 3.5 mm. You can use any size hook which suits your yarn. You will also need a pair of scissors, hook marker and a needle for sewing your ends. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. And if you like my tutorial, don't forget to press bell button to get a notification of new videos. We will start crocheting with a slip knot. I'm crocheting a cap which size is for 5 to 10-year children. You can crochet any size cap. For that you will work a chain in multiple of 4. I'm crocheting total 80 chains, which we will divide into 4 parts, which means 20 20 20 20. You can crochet any number of chain which will be in multiple of 4. After crocheting a multiple of 4 chains, measure the head circumference. Continue crocheting chains as per the size you want. After crocheting chains in multiple of 4, I have crocheted 80 chains. Then add 1 chain. Now we will work single crochet in each chain. Skip the first chain and work from second chain. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is single crochet. In each 80 chains we will work 1 single crochet. Crochet till the last chain. Here we complete first row, then second row, chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. You can see we'll take the whole stitch to crochet single crochet. In each row we will have 80 single crochet. No decrease, no increase. In each stitch work 1 single crochet. Continue crocheting the rows of single crochet till the half height. I have crocheted till 4 inch. You can crochet more than 4 inch. I've worked 18-inch the head circumference and the height total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Total 28 chains I have worked of one single crochet. That is 4-inch. You can work more 4 to 5-inch of one single crochet rows. Now we will divide into 4 parts, that is into 20 chains. Count the 20 chains from the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Insert the stitch marker to the 20th stitch. Then count the next 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again in 20th stitch, make a mark. In this manner, we will divide into 4 parts, that is into 20, 20, 20. Count the next 20 stitches and make a mark. Last 20 stitches we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See here we divide into 4 parts. This 20 stitches first part, next second part, this third part and fourth part, total 4 parts. I've worked a triangle in first part. Now I will show you how to work a triangle in each 4 part in that specific 20 stitches. Take the yarn, with a slip knot and insert into the first stitch of second part. Then insert the hook into the second stitch and work 2 single crochet together. Then in next stitches, except the last 2 stitch, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. In the first 2 stitches and last 2 stitches, we will work 2 single crochet together. In last 2 stitch, we will work 2 single crochet together. Then chain 1, turn the work Now we have 18 stitches. In each 18 stitch we will work one single crochet. For this row and for next row we'll work one single crochet in each stitch. Total 18 single crochet. Then next row, that is chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in each stitch. That is third row of triangle. After that, next row, chain 1, turn the work and work 2 single crochet together in first 2 stitches and last 2 stitches. In next stitches work one single crochet except the last 2 stitch. In last 2 stitch we will work 2 single crochet together. In last 2 stitch work 2 single crochet together. Chain 1, turn the work and work 2 rows of 1 single crochet in each stitch. You would have get the idea that in first row, in first 2 stitch and last 2 stitch we will work 2 single crochet together, and the middle stitch work 1 single crochet, and then next 2 rows work 1 single crochet in each stitch. This first 3 rows we will repeat the same 3 rows again and again to make a triangle by decreasing the stitches. Last 2 rows, 2 single crochet together, chain 1, turn the work and work 2 rows of 1 single crochet in each stitch. Continue crocheting the same stitches to have a triangle. Now we have 6 stitches. In first 2 stitch work 2 single crochet together, then in next 2 stitch work 1 single crochet, and last 2 stitch work 2 single crochet together. Then chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch for this row and for next row. Chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now again repeat, chain 1, turn the work. We have 4 stitches, 2 single crochet together, then again 2 single crochet together, then chain 1, work single crochet, chain 1, turn the work and work single crochet, that is 2 rows single crochet, then chain 1, turn the work and work 2 single crochet together, chain 1, turn the work and work a single crochet, then chain 1, see how we have worked the triangle. Work the same stitches for next 2 space where we have to work 2 more triangles in that 20 stitches. The end of each triangle, leave the long yarn to join the gap. You can see the lower part, you can work more single crochet stitches. The most easy cap, just you have to work a single crochet stitch and the upper 4 triangles, in that nothing difficult stitches is work. Now we will join the borders with the ends yarn. Take a end yarn and have a needle. This is how you have to save the borders. Continue sewing till the downside, till the last stitch. The same sewing stitch, that is with the help of a needle, we will sew this triangles sides. See, in this manner we will sew the 3 sides of the triangles. Cover the all ends with the help of needle and turn the cap. It's the most easiest cap to work. It's the beginners can also crochet this cap with any size of the cap. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the thumbs up button, share the video and also leave a comment. So have a nice day. Bye bye.